students. We are still on algebra. In our last topic, we treated what is algebra, terms, like terms, unlike terms, coefficient, and so on and so forth. Today, we are looking at equation, algebraic equation. Let me just give you a short form of equation. 2 plus 1 equals 3. This is an equation. That is, this side, the left-hand side, equals to the right-hand side. There's a balance. That simply means an equation. So we have here, what must be added to 8 to make 20? What must be added to make 20? You can do a guesswork and get it very fast. But there's a sequence we follow in algebra to get it. Now, the number that you want to add, we don't know it now. So you say, let the unknown number be, you can choose any letter. So let's choose a Y. Let the number be Y. So what must be added to 8? So 8 plus Y will give us 20. Now we don't know the number. So 8 plus Y equals 20. Now we are focusing, our focus is on Y. We want to know the value of Y. So you want Y to be independent. We don't want any number to be attached to Y. So this 8 must go off. For 8 to go off, 8 is positive. We have to subtract. Because it's positive, we subtract 8 from both sides. If 8 is negative, then we add 8 to both sides. So it's called additive inverse. So subtract 8 from both sides. So we have this 8 minus 8 plus Y. What you do on one side, you do to the other side, 20 minus 8. So this is off now. 8 minus 8 is 0, so Y is alone. So we have Y equals 20 minus 8. So 20 minus 8 is what? Y equals 12. So what must be added to 8 to make 20 is what? 12. So let's do one more example. We did what must be added. Let's do what must be subtracted. What must be subtracted from 15 to make 6? The same procedure. Let the unknown number be, let's take M. So we want the unknown number to be M. So we have 15 minus M will equal 6. So the unknown number is M. Just like the first example, we want M to be alone. So this number we have to go to the other side. This 15 is positive, so you subtract 15 from both sides. So subtract 15 from both sides. So we have 15 minus 15, then your minus M equals 6 minus 15. So 15 minus 15 will be off, so we are left with M minus M equals 6 minus 15. This minus M equals 6 minus 15 is minus 9. Now this will not be your final answer because the M is negative. We are looking for M that is positive, not M that is negative. So I have minus M times minus 1 equals minus 9 times minus 1. So what you do to one side, you do to the other side. Minus times minus plus, 1 times M, M. Minus times minus plus, 1 times 9, 9. So M equals 9. What must be subtracted from 15 to make 6 is 9. So I'll put up your assignment now. Please click the subscribe button on our YouTube channel to get more of our videos. Thanks for viewing. Don't forget, we also have this book on algebra, Understanding Algebra, for JS 1 to 3. So try to get it. Order through your school, please. Thanks a lot.